guys, welcome back to my vlog. Hi guys, it's been a while. So kagagaling ko lang sa labas. Actually galing ako school, tapos after that street photography lang ako for my photography class, and then ayun, I'm back na sa condo, and then later meron kaming papanoorin na musical play sa campus.
I don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel.
Where?
Inside your universe.
Like doing nothing with you.
I never asked who's better. She couldn't be. Someday you wanna open the mountain. Someday you wanna ride the sky's blue. Someday you wanna run your words for you.
Mali na yung video niya. Maliit lang din.
Julian, nandiyan na si CK. Anong sasabihin mo?
Hi, I love you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. We're at Manila Cafe.
Our date.
Guys, I got this.
Pwede kasing namin na Edsel. Show me.
Hi guys. Sana kunin ni Jury yung camera tapos itapat niya sa akin. Oh no!
Naka-video pa to?
Yeah. Oh, don't take video me. Ikaw naman. What? Hey, look. Arte. Grabe niya talaga tumigil ah. Okay, I'm gonna edit this video kapag may time na ako.
Wave at the camera. Wave at the camera. Okay. Keep on waving. Alright? Okay. Yeah. Okay, keep on waving. Keep on waving. Alright? Sige, okay na.
Hi guys, today is Wednesday and we don't have any classes. So I'm gonna go out with my friends. We're just gonna try out the cafe near around ano lang, I think the Pitan. I don't know, but yeah, I'm gonna vlog that. So